welcome back to my channel. So today I am dyeing my hair. Of course I already did, but I just wanted to be a little excited about the process. But I'm gonna be showing the process of how I got this color, which I am obsessed with right now. So if you're a newcomer to my YouTube channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell for all my new content when they drop. You be the first. You don't want to be the first? Hit that subscribe and that bell. But this process was like really easy, very easy. It literally took me 2 hours to get this color. So the products that I'm gonna be using, I'm gonna show you first so you could just like watch throughout the process to see how this greatness happened. You know what I'm saying? But the two colors that I'm going to be using are from Adore. I love their color range. The colors are so beautiful. Like all their colors I'm obsessed with. So what really motivated me to do this color is my new favorite Jamaican artist right now, Jada Kingdom. I love her so much. And I saw a picture of her new color of her hair, and I kind of guessed that maybe this is the color, maybe it's not, but it's pretty close. So these are the two colors that I'm going to be using from Adore. So this is called the Violet Gem. I don't know if you guys can see that. And this is the 11-4, and I'm going to also mix it with the Purple Rage. You guys can see. Hold on. See it. There we go. There we go. Yeah. And this is the 11-6. My hair color is more so of this color, I see. Like, I feel like it beats out this a little bit. Maybe next time I'll just use more of this. But I love it anyways. It looks so beautiful. And it fits my skin tone, my everything. Like, it just... so good. And of course we need developer, so I'll be using 2 developer throughout this process, and you'll see the why behind why I'm not using 2 different ones. So if you want to know, you gotta stay tuned. And so the 40 and the 30, and of course you're gonna need your mixing bowl with your coloring brush. You do need these too. And of course, please use your gloves. You have to use gloves, especially if you're going to bleach your hair first before you color it. You need to use gloves because the bleach will kind of burn your skin a little bit, so be careful. And for my shampoo and condition, I'm going to be using from Clara Professional the Shimmering Lights, the Blonde and Silver. For blonde and silver hair, this is their shampoo. They do have their conditioner, but I don't really like it. I don't like it on my weaves. I don't like it on my hair. So for the conditioner, I'm going to use the Silicone Mix. I love. I'm obsessed with this. Like, this is like the holy grail. It's so good. So these are the products that I'm going to be using for the whole process of getting to this color. So if you like my color and want to try it out, baby, this is what you gotta use. This is what you gotta use, because right here, it's so good. But anyways, so let's get started on to the process so you guys could get all your tips and tricks of whatever you need. Alright guys, let's get started. So of course, for protection, you need your gloves for this section. So you can use your white gloves or clear gloves as long as it's gloves. And now I'm going to start with my mixture, and I'm using, as I suggested in the beginning of this video, my 40 developer. I'm using this because I'm a little impatient, so I need my hair to be platinum blonde as soon as possible. You can use a 20 or a 30, just depends on how long you want to wait for your hair to at least reach that platinum blonde stage, and I prefer to use the 40 for this bleach process. Alright, so let's get started with bleaching the hair. So I'm starting from the edges, and I'm going to work my way to the back. I do this all the time. I always start with my edges first, just in case that anything gets left out. My edges are on point. So please make sure that you're using one of these brushes. Coloring brushes for this technique is very, very good. And it just, as you can see, like, look, it just makes everything just looks perfect and even. Nothing is really getting onto my face or anything. And I have to say, with this process, it was a little messy for me, but the result was great when it was at the end. It was really, really good. But throughout the whole, as you can see, yep, real messy. It was very, very messy. It even bleached my shirt. So if you want to use a protective gear when you're doing this, you can, but I didn't. I was at home, I was quarantined inside, and I just didn't care how I looked. But I just wanted to, I was inspired by one of my favorite new artists, Jamaican artist, Jada Kingdom, and I really, really wanted to do this color. It looked so beautiful on her, and I was like, oh, I have short hair just like her, so why not? As you can see, you need to move really, really fast because the front of my hair already starts to process. You could already see the blonde showing through. So be very speedy. And look at that. It's already blonde even before I put like my steam cap over it. In the back, it needs a little love. So I'm going to go ahead and let it sit for 20 minutes. All right, so it's now 20 minutes. It's been on my hair, so I think that's about good and ready to be washed out. I'm going to use my toning shampoo and I'm going to also use my silicone mix. This is really good for giving my hair back some nutrients. So these two are what I'm going to use, but I think everything is, it's like platinum, completely platinum, like completely. I'm gonna wash this out and then I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so this is how everything came out. It's kind of looking good. I did tone it a little bit, so I'm gonna get started with the color. I did air dry it and everything, and now let's get started into the coloring. All right, so like I said before, I'm using two different color. I'm using the Adore 11-4. This is Violet Gem, and I'm going to mix it with the Adore 11-6 Purple Rage. And I'm going to also mix it a little bit with the 30, my 30 developer instead of 40, because I feel like my hair went through a lot with the 40. So I'm going to skip to the 30. Start very nice and evenly at the front. I always like to start in the front first, or the edges area, before I go in the middle. Don't know why, don't have a reason, but I just, any coloring, I always like to start in the front to get the bad boy in. Alrighty then, get that front going. I definitely do not want to see any sort of blonde popping in, so I'm really getting in those nooks and crannies. I think I'm definitely going to change my mind on using gloves, because this, look at that, oh, it's getting out of control, honey. So I'm gonna take a little of this and I'm just gonna add on the edges over here. So I definitely did need my gloves for this. To just add nicely. To just these areas. Nice and easy. It's already looking good. Already looking really, really good. But when you wash it out, sometimes it's a different story. So let's see. So I'm going to leave this on for like 20 minutes. 20 minutes to like 30 minutes, and then I'll be right back. If you guys made it to the end, thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you learned some good things from it. Please put in the comment below what other color you'd like me to do for my hair. I did the big chop, and I'm going color crazy. There's really nothing else to really do in the house but to just play with my newly chopped hair. And so let me know what other colors you think I can do. And of course, I'm going to make sure I wear the color in my hair for like 3 weeks to a month. So let me know what other colors I can try out. I'm willing to try anything. So thank you again so much for watching my video. And please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can get all my content that are coming out. So thank you so much. Please remember, peace, love, and positivity. I'm out.